Today we're checking out gel packs that when they freeze, they will actually generate heat. And they're also reusable. So these things have been on my mind for many years now, and I finally decided to pick them up for my mum for Christmas. So I got her a pack of orange ones. But then seeing how surprisingly effective they were, I actually thought I'll pick up some more for myself. So I bought a pack of purple ones for me. So you get 5 in a pack. You'll find a link in the description if you want to actually buy them yourselves. And the physics of these is incredibly cool. It almost feels like it's breaking the laws of physics because it's a chemical which has a freezing point of room temperature, but it's in a solution that will hold it in a liquid form until it is activated. And it's like pulling out a bottle of water that's still liquid from the freezer, and then you hit it against something and it'll suddenly start to freeze. Well, that's the same thing here. You've actually got a piece of metal floating about in the pack, and you just put it between your fingers and press in with your nail to bend that piece of metal, and it will then create a crystal in the liquid, which will then propagate, and the entire thing will freeze solid. However, instead of being cold, it'll actually heat up, and it'll stay surprisingly hot for about 20 minutes, with the heat then fading off over the next 10 minutes. And then all you have to do to reset them and make them usable again is to put them in boiling water in a low simmer in a pan with something underneath them like a cloth so the actual plastic bag they're in doesn't melt. And then the contents will turn back to a liquid and then they're good to go again. These things are just really fascinating and I just kind of love them and they're really cool to just play around with. And of course the heat is great on a cold day.